Right, first question is, what number would you say that says? Oh, I said 8702, but it's actually 8202, and we're at the Melia Shanghai Parkside, which is right beside Disney, Shanghai Disney. So as you walk in, you've got Pandy's shirt that he's just taken off, and two what do you call them, dressing gowns, what have we got behind you? One of those is safe, and some slippers and an umbrella, which will come in handy as it is raining today. And then here we have a lovely bedroom with lots and lots of space, and we booked a deluxe room, so I'm guessing this is a deluxe room. It's got lovely vaulted ceilings. This is a 2-story hotel, so we had the choice for the same price. I think there was a ground floor apartment and an upstairs room and an upstairs room, a downstairs room and an upstairs room. The downstairs rooms at this price, and I think all of them, oh, that light just came on as I walked towards it, came with a little terrace, and I was sure that this came with a balcony when we booked it. So I don't know whether they've given us the wrong room type, but I'm sure it came with patio. It has got a balcony outside, but there's no access. I'm sure it came with patio doors when I booked it, so I'll query that later. But it is a nice size room. It's a lovely size room. You've got a writing desk there. I'm assuming that's the, there's plugs. I was going to say the heating system, but there's lots of plugs there, and USB ports. And here we've got, as in the last hotel, skylight on, skylight off, master switch, spot, belt, is that? Can't see what that says because I've taken out my contact lenses. Night and something else. And then you've got the 2 overhead lights, nice size TV, lots of storage by the looks of things. In here you've got a mini fridge in there. Sometimes the first round is on them, so I'm not sure whether that's the case here. Tea and coffee making facilities here, and a wine bottle opener. And in here some fancy glasses, 2 waters, a kettle, a snack gift if you want it for that, just over a tenner. I think that would work out. And something written in Chinese there. Is it? No. So I don't know what that says, but that says something there. And then through here you have a full-size mirror, back to the door that we just came from, with the heating controls there and the switches there. And then these are our umbrellas, which I'll leave there because they are wet. Some body lotion and liquid soap there. And there's an unusual setup. So in here we've got more waters. In here we have a vanity kit. That's probably a comb. That's probably, I'm just guessing because it's toothpaste and toothbrush, and I'm guessing that's the same, but I have no idea unless I open it up. But we've just been at the park for 9, 10, 11, 5 hours, just over 5 hours. So I am getting pretty tired now. We're still getting over the jet lag. There's some extra pillows, I think, up there, or at least one extra pillow. In here is a hair dryer and a spare drawer. In here is a bath, or wet room. A wet room. So there's a bath, and then there's shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, a little seat, and two shower heads, 3 towels, space there to put your stuff, and in here should be the toilet. So it's not as fancy as the last toilet, but yeah, toilet. And a phone. I never understand why they put phones in bathrooms, but there you go, they do. We have no idea whether we'll be able to see the fireworks from this room. The reason why we didn't have the room downstairs with a little terrace outside was because just up the road there is an RV park. That's the word I was looking for. There's an RV park just down the road, and they say on there that when I was reading the reviews, because I was very interested in booking an RV, because I thought that would be pretty quirky for you guys. They say on the reviews that there's lots of frogs. If you watch this channel or have watched previous videos, I have mentioned on a few of them that I am terrified of frogs. Absolutely terrified of frogs. So I did not want to be anywhere near frogs. And if there's frogs up the road, I know there's frogs everywhere, but it put me off having a ground floor apartment. So what do you think of the room, Pandy?
Nice.
Yeah, what have you just done? Oh, you shut shut that. That's what we need in our kitchen, because we've got a Velux window that doesn't, we can't get a cover for. We need a remote control like that. So yes, it's absolutely wonderful. We're going to have a few hours break now before heading back to the park, back to Disney. Oh, such hard work. We're very excited about going back. One thing we didn't do on the way out was see if there was any maps. I didn't see any maps at all around. I don't think they do paper maps anymore because everything's online. But we do need to have a look and have a plan of when we go back, which rides we still need to do. Would definitely be interested in doing Pirates again. There was a massive downpour just after we ate. So lots of people left the same time as us. We were planning on coming back anyway, but everybody was coming out the parks because of the rain. So hopefully when we go back in a couple of hours, it'll be less people there. Fingers crossed. But of course, we'll take you with us. Bye for now. The price that we paid for this room, which was a deluxe room for one night for 2 people, came to £202.55. That was in Great British pounds, and we booked that through hotels.com.